Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be introducing you to Top 5 Best PC Cases of 2024. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your opinions are highly valued. Today, I want to introduce you to the Corsair Obsidian Series 1000D Super Tower case. This PC case is truly the ultimate super tower, with its iconic and clean exterior lines and 4 smoke-tempered glass panels that give it a sleek and stylish look. The integrated RGB lighting adds an extra level of sophistication and customization options, making it the best-looking Obsidian series case yet. One of the standout features of the Obsidian 1000D is its ability to accommodate both a complete EATX and mini ITX system at the same time. This means you can easily stream and game simultaneously from one enclosure, without any compromises. With the capacity for 2 motherboards and 2 power supplies, you can have 2 full PCs in one case. When it comes to cooling, the Obsidian 1000D has you covered. It offers up to 18 fan mounts and can accommodate up to 4 480mm radiators simultaneously. This means you can create a powerful and efficient cooling system to keep your components running optimally. In terms of dimensions, the Obsidian 1000D measures 12.1 W by 27.3 L by 27.4 inches H, providing ample space for your PC build. One of the highlights of this case is the built-in smart lighting and fan control. With the integrated Corsair Commander Pro fan and lighting controller, you have superior control over almost every aspect of your system. You can easily customize and manage your system's lighting and fan settings using the Corsair IQ software. Keeping your PC build tidy is effortless with the Obsidian 1000D's triple-chamber design. It includes a French door-style rear storage compartment, an EATX motherboard, and a dual-purpose mini ITX motherboard tray and PSU cover. This allows for efficient cable management and a clean, organized build. The front panel of the Obsidian 1000D is designed to be future-proof. It features an RGB LED-lit front panel with 2 USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C ports and 4 USB 3.0 ports. This ensures future-proof and backward-compatible connectivity options for your devices. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use in other countries. Please check compatibility before purchasing. In summary, the Corsair Obsidian Series 1000D Super Tower case is the ultimate choice for those looking to create a powerful and visually stunning PC build. With its sleek design, superior cooling options, and advanced lighting and fan control, it is the perfect choice for gamers, streamers, and PC enthusiasts alike. Don't settle for anything less than the best when it comes to your PC case. Choose the Corsair Obsidian Series 1000D and create the most epic build you can imagine. The Cooler Master Case H500A RGB Airflow ATX Mid-Tower is the ultimate PC chassis for high-performance airflow. With its 2 front panels and 2 200mm ARGB fans, this case takes your PC to the next level. Choose between the mesh front panel for maximum airflow or the transparent panel for a stunning display of the fans. The dual 200mm ARGB fans not only look amazing, but they also move a high volume of air while remaining quiet. The pre-installed ARGB fans can be controlled either by your motherboard or the included controller. Connect them with the included splitter to create a comprehensive ARGB lighting system that will impress anyone who sees it. The tempered glass side panel allows you to showcase your gaming hardware and custom loop cooling in a panoramic view. It adds a touch of elegance to your build and lets you take pride in your creation. The top panel features filtered ventilation, providing additional thermal support for your components. It also offers mounting options for future cooling upgrades, ensuring that your PC can handle any heat that comes its way. Note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please check compatibility before purchasing. The Master Case H500 is the perfect choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. With its innovative design, premium lighting, and optimized airflow, this case will elevate your PC to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own the best ATX PC chassis on the market. With 4.7 out of 5 stars on customer reviews and a bestseller rank of number 313 in computer cases, you can trust that the Cooler Master Case H500A RGB Airflow ATX Mid-Tower is a top-notch product that will exceed your expectations. To learn more or make a purchase, visit the short link provided. Short link, https://amzn.to/3tg5p3x closing square bracket. Introducing the Lian Li Langcool 2 Mesh RGB Black LAN2MRX Tempered Glass ATX Case Black Color. Langcool 2 Mesh RGB, LAN2MRX. Are you in need of a high-quality case for your computer build? Look no further than the Lian Li Langcool 2 Mesh RGB Black LAN2MRX. This sleek and stylish ATX case offers a range of features that will enhance your computing experience. Firstly, let's talk about compatibility. This case is designed to accommodate eATX, ATX, with a width under 280mm, MATX, and ITX motherboards. It's made with durable materials, including 0.8mm SGCC for the exterior, motherboard tray, and most of the interior, as well as 4.0mm tempered glass on both sides for a modern and sleek look. When it comes to cooling, the Langcool 2 Mesh RGB Black LAN2MRX has got you covered. It supports multiple fan configurations, allowing you to customize your cooling setup. The front features a multi-way fan, radiator bracket that can accommodate either 3 120mm fans or 2 140mm fans. Additionally, the above PSU chamber can support 2 120mm fans. The top can support 2 120mm or 140mm fans, and the rear can support one 120mm fan. If you prefer liquid cooling, the front radiator bracket supports a 360mm, 280mm, or 240mm radiator, while the top can support a 240mm radiator aligned to the left. In terms of storage, this case offers ample space. It has two storage options behind the motherboard tray for 2.5 inches SSDs, a hard drive cage that can hold three 3.5 inches HDDs or 2.5 inches SSDs, and two additional slots for 2.5 inches SSDs behind the right side shroud panel. When it comes to connectivity, the Langcool 2 Mesh RGB Black LAN2MRX doesn't disappoint. It features two LED control buttons for adjusting the RGB lighting, a TRRS audio port, two USB 3.0 ports, and an optional USB 3.1 Type-C port. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use in other countries. Make sure to check compatibility before making your purchase. With an impressive customer rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars and a bestsellers rank of number 1466 in computer cases, the Lian Li Langcool 2 Mesh RGB Black LAN2MRX is a top choice for computer enthusiasts looking for a reliable and stylish case. Upgrade your computer build today with the Lian Li Langcool 2 Mesh RGB Black LAN2MRX. Click on the short link in the description to find out more and make your purchase.